You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Italian mathematician. We'll be looking at how to pronounce more interesting but often confusing names, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? Fibonacci is how it is said in Italian. Stress on the third syllable, stress on the C sound because it's a double C. Fibonacci, Fibonacci, easy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.